Okay, so this is a nice question because it's asking you to prove something that you probably just take for granted or something that you just know is in the formula booklet. How do we actually prove this formula? Well, it's actually simpler than it looks. So one thing that we can rely upon here is the sort of year 8 definition or even the primary school definition of the area of a triangle, and that is 1/2 base times height. And so if we consider the A here, if we consider this to be our base, then what we now need to know is the perpendicular height going up to the point capital A. So labeling this, it will create right angles and this will be H. But now we can use SOHCAHTOA. And if we look at our formula, the one that we're aiming for, this includes B's, C's, and A's. Now, we're definitely going to replace the base with an A. So that's the A there. Well, we've also got the half, so that's the 1/2 A. What we need is B sine C. So if we simply label the angle C, and what we want to know is H, well, we need a formula that links H and B. And that is going to be sine C is equal to the opposite side, H, divided by B. And all we need to do is multiply up by B. So H is equal to B sine C. So if I replace the height with B sine C, I have proven the formula that we were asked to prove. Okay, hope this helps.